The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum is one of the most affordable robot vacuums on the market. But is it too good to be true? Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to review the Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum. This is a powerful and versatile robot vacuum that is perfect for any home. It's also one of Yeedi's most affordable models, making it a great value for the price. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum is a powerful and versatile vacuum that is perfect for any home. It features advanced navigation technology that allows it to maneuver around furniture and obstacles with ease, and its impressive 3,000 pascals suction power makes it easy to pick up even the most embedded dirt and debris. Here are some of the pros of the Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum. Powerful suction. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum has an impressive 3,000 pascals suction power that easily picks up dirt, dust, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Smart navigation. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum uses advanced navigation technology to map out your home and clean it efficiently. Customizable cleaning. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum can be customized to clean your home the way you want it. You can choose from different cleaning modes, set cleaning schedules, and create no-go zones. Long runtime. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum has a long runtime of up to 90 minutes, so you can clean your entire home without having to worry about it running out of power. Mopping function. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum can also be used to mop your floors. This is a great way to keep your floors clean and free of dirt and grime. Here are some of the cons of the Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum. It can be noisy. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum can be a bit noisy when it is cleaning. It can get stuck. The Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum can sometimes get stuck on furniture or other obstacles. Overall, the Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and versatile vacuum that can clean their home efficiently. It is easy to use and customize, and it has a long runtime. To purchase it, please visit the Amazon link in the video description. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about the Yeedi Vac X robot vacuum.